What would I do without you gambling right next to me?
Babe, coming in hot with the, what are these, babe?
Crab cakes.
Crab cakes. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit different video than normal.
We haven't done one of these in a long time.
The last time we did a Las Vegas vlog, I think was when we got married in October.
Yep.
Right when I got diagnosed.
2020.
Of 2020.
Yeah.
So it's been a long time since we've done a Las Vegas video. Take a little weekend away. So much stuff going on medically with both of us. So we needed to get a little quick weekend away.
Yeah, we deserve this.
So we're gonna give you a quick little room tour. We're here at the MGM Grand. We're in a room called the Executive Queen Suite. Apparently they don't have any more rooms with king beds. So
We have to have our own beds.
I get my own bed so somebody doesn't steal the covers.
Now we can learn who the cover
That's
crazy
right.
is.
We're gonna show you a ton of great food. We're gonna show you
Fun.
fun.
And it's NFR weekend, so there's a lot of country rodeo stuff going on.
Yeah.
Which is fun.
If you haven't been to Las Vegas in a long time, this is what it's like in December 2021 on the weekend in Las Vegas. And here we go. Woo! Okay, let me give you guys a quick little room tour of this Executive Queen Suite. Got a little closet right here. Got all the bellmen hung up all the clothes and everything like that. Double sink bathroom, shower, bathtub. So it comes into a little, only babe for a weekend would pack that much. Comes with a little sitting area, which is nice. And then if you had the king suite, it would have one bed. Obviously ours has two. It's about 600 square feet, I think it was, or 580 or something. You got the little sitting area here. And then we're on the 4th floor, and all you see is the roof outside. Not a very exciting view. And since it is the rodeo weekend, we had to bust out the Wranglers and the boots. Right, babe?
Oh yeah. No, probably not.
Babe's unpacking her world. So are you gonna say see you tomorrow?
It is a 1 mile walk to the Bellagio.
Okay.
Or we can go right down here, I think Aria, and we can go to Brasserie or whatever that you like.
Okay.
Or we can just start walking and find something.
All right, let's just start walking and find something.
Okay.
You put in a Las Vegas video a long time ago about people just openly smoking weed,
Yeah.
walking around.
It's everywhere.
And there were so many comments like, why are you such a hater?
Well, it's not being a hater, it just stinks. It's like cigarette smokes, it stinks. I don't want to walk around ripping toots. That's not normalized. I was trying to buy you a present.
Oh yeah,
I
you're
was
trying to put a
get you,
case on me.
I was trying to get you a really cool lion head gold Gucci ring
Yeah, that's what I need.
with a big gem.
Yeah. You guys have seen this in our Vegas videos before. Now we're gonna go to Javier's, which they have one in Southern California and they have one here. Fantastic Mexican food and delicious chips and salsa and margaritas.
Let's see how spicy it is today. Oh, it's good. Listen, you just lost $300 in about 15 minutes playing blackjack. Now we're going to the store where I am going to lose $300 to Louis Vuitton, and I am going to get something in return, unlike what you got.
You lost $600 at Aria.
I didn't lose it. No, I didn't. That was you.
We made it out of Gucci without making a purchase. Hallelujah.
It's because I didn't find what I want yet.
No, babe. No. We're now inside the Cosmopolitan, and babe is going to crawl inside a giant shoe.
I would like to.
Good job, babe.
All right, we're at the Bellagio. We made it. And we're going into the conservatory where they decorate all the time, year round, and this time it's decorated for Christmas.
Really fun. Where you going, babe? You already got your item. Look. Look here. No, babe. No, you got your item. You got your present.
That's all we can afford in here.
Yeah. $35 lip gloss. Nighttime, day 2. That's babe. Look at her outfit. Look at it. Look at it. She made me wear my boots again.
You lost all of the money that we won last night.
What? You lost all the money, babe.
No, I can't lose if I'm not pressing the button or putting down the chips.
Hashtag scam artist. Put it on the screen. Hashtag scam artist.
All I do is stand there.
So we're at the world famous Peppermill for breakfast. First you go into the little fireside lounge, then we're gonna sit at the countertop and have breakfast. Right, babe? Right. Yeah. So good. The food is so good. There's always a line. Babe, you can show them. There's always a line. 24 hours a day, there's always a line. So, super popular, famous spot in Las Vegas.
And delicious.
And delicious. Now you're walking off your breakfast, babe?
Oh gosh, now I have to.
Now you have to.
Yeah, I had chicken fried steak. Chicken fried steak and a biscuit. And hash browns.
Oh.
And it was delicious.
So we're inside Resorts World. Look at this giant ball. It's like a giant LED ball. Brand new hotel owned by Hilton. Owned by Paris Hilton.
Yeah. There's a lot of restaurants.
Oh, now it's Chrome. Oh, never mind. It's not Chrome. Now it's the Rodeo. This place is super nice inside. Nice bar. Really nice inside. And it's dead in here. So it's 100% cashless, card only. You can get any of these places.
Select.
And then you order, it's all electronic, and then you go up to whatever window and you get your order electronically. Super neat. A lot of good street foods and stuff like that. What do you think, Ben?
That was pretty cool.
We got dumplings.
Yeah, we got dumplings and bao bun. It was good.
Oh, there he is. There he is. I see you. I see you. I see you. Are you ready to be YouTube famous? Are you ready to be YouTube famous?
What's up, Mr. Joshua?
What's up, brother? How are you?
Always ready.
You're YouTube famous now. Bethany said she wants to put your phone number on the screen in the video.
What?
And then I said people need to text you like at 1 o'clock in the morning, naked pictures and stuff. This is the man right here. There it is. Everybody in Vegas and across YouTube land is going to know you now. Hopefully. Okay, babe.
Are you ready?
Now we're at Caesars
Okay.
to visit our friend Jason.
Let's go see him.
We haven't seen him in like 2 years.
It's been a long time.
He was in our past Vegas vlogs.
He's been in a lot of them.
Yes, and now he's going to be in more. This is the guy. He hasn't been in a YouTube video in 2 years. 2 years. But you're coming back. You're making a comeback now. That's right. He was off the internet, now he's back on the internet. Oh yeah, babe.
Oh yeah, babe.
Best old fashioned
Ever.
in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
By that guy.
Oh, a bee.
Oh, Christmas trees. Very Christmassy, babe. Now we're going to the Wynn.
I mean, it's very beautiful.
That is a big waterfall fountain, a bunch of trees, a lake in front of it. This is half indoor, half outdoor dining. Yeah, babe.
It's beautiful. So we wanted the patio, but they closed it down, and actually this is even better because it's right inside.
They closed it down because it's raining outside. Babe, coming in hot with the, what are these, babe?
Crab cakes.
Crab cakes. I do gotta say, those crab cakes are pretty delicious. They're rocking. Very good, babe.
Good job. Oh yeah, and you just ordered caviar. I don't even know what's wrong with you.
So excited.
What do you? Caviar is.
When it's done right, it's really good.
So what is this, babe?
This is branzino.
And what would you call it?
Delicious fish. Very good. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Bone-in, New York. Oh yeah. I'm so mad at you.